guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doc Keys. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to play worship intro on keyboard. This intro I just played, how to play that, I'll break it down. Please guys, if you are new to this very channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. So I did this very intro on the key of F. F is your do, re, mi, fa, sol. Play it again, then I'll break it down proper. See what I just played. I will play it. Let me reduce the tempo and play it slowly so that you get what I played. I just reduce the tempo so that you get what I play. See my fingers. So the progression I just did is it's a mi, re, di, re, mi, so. Then you play your re. But see how I played it. On my left, I first played this. If you are getting it. I did di, re, mi, re, di, re, mi, so. So, mi, re, di, re, mi, so. Hope you are getting it. Mi, re, di, re, mi, so. Then you play your re on your left. Play your fa on your right and your re on your left. See how I do this. Mi, re, di, re, mi, so. You see it? Your fa, re, la, re, fa, re, la, re. With both hands you get something like this. Mi, re, di, you play it like this. On your left you play. It's a bit technical, but I hope you get it. If you can replay this very tutorial over and over again so that you get it. Slowly. You see? It's a bit technical, but it's doable. Okay, that's it for the first part. The second one. This one is a bit simple. Your fa, re, fa, mi, so. Left you play your so, re, so. On your right you play your ti, re, so. So from the beginning. See? Something like this. end it. Your saw will end it here, but if you go like this, your re, ti, so, from the beginning again. Then we do something like this, ti, do. This ti, do will now introduce your mi. You see, after your ti, do, mi, just play your mi to mi on your left. You can add the ti as well, but if it's difficult for you, just play this. The next chord is from the beginning. You play the full chord of your this D, the full chord, which is your D chord. Your D chord, you understand? What you play on your left, you play the same thing on your right, which is your D, your F sharp, and your A, which is your La, Di, Mi, La, Di, Mi. Get it from the beginning. Play the note, then you play the full chord. First the note, then the full chord. See. Understand? The next one. You just play your mi, so, re. Then your so. Then the next one, it's like I'm a bit fast. Let me start from the top again. Then the next one, you play mi, so, re. What you started with, mi, so, re. Fa on your right and re on your left, the same way you started it. Do, so. After this, so you now play do, re, mi, so, la. Just backward movement. Do, re, mi, so. Your left, you play your do, ti, la. Then your right, you play your do, re, mi, ti, the full chord. Do, re, mi, so, la. Then your left, you will play your do, re, mi, ti, la. Understand? From the top again. From beginning again. I just broke it down to the lowest so that everyone will get it. So let me play with the beat, then call it a tutorial. So guys, this is it. I hope you understand it, you understood it. So if you want to learn it, just you can replay this very tutorial over and over again. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. You can as well save to your YouTube so that you can as well come back to it anytime you want. So guys, thank you for watching today. See you in my next tutorial. Remain Gidok Keys. God bless.